Mastering the art of positive affirmations. Achieve your dreams and goals. Welcome, seekers of transformation. Today, we embark on a profound journey into the realm of positive affirmations, a journey that can turn your dreams into reality. If you've ever wondered how to harness the incredible power of your thoughts to manifest your deepest desires, you're about to discover the secrets. Stick with us till the end, because the wisdom you're about to gain can change your life forever. Section 1. Understanding affirmations. Let's begin with the fundamentals. What exactly are positive affirmations, and why are they such a game changer in our lives? Defining affirmations. Positive affirmations are concise, positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. They serve as a direct line of communication with your subconscious mind. The power of the subconscious. To grasp why this works, we need to understand the immense power of the subconscious mind. It influences our beliefs, habits, and ultimately, our actions and outcomes. Affirmations as programming. Affirmations are like programming the software of your mind. By feeding it positive, empowering messages, you reshape your beliefs and, consequently, your life. Section 2. Crafting effective affirmations. Creating affirmations isn't just about saying nice things to yourself. It's an art and a science. Let's dive deep into crafting affirmations that truly work. Clarity and specificity. Make your affirmations crystal clear and specific. Vague affirmations generate vague results. Emotion and visualization. Infuse your affirmations with emotion and vivid imagery. Imagine yourself already living the reality you desire. Present tense and positivity. Phrase your affirmations in the present tense and avoid negative words. Your subconscious mind lives in the now, so speak as if your desires are already fulfilled. Consistency and repetition. Repetition is key. Consistently repeat your affirmations daily. Make them a part of your routine and watch the magic unfold. Section 3. How to use affirmations. Now that you have your affirmations, it's crucial to know how to use them effectively in your daily life. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Step 1. Morning affirmation ritual. Begin your day with affirmations. Set a positive tone and intention for the day ahead. Step 2. Visualization practice. Visualize your goals while reciting your affirmations. Feel the emotions, visualize the details, and believe it's already happening. Step 3. Affirmation journaling. Keep an affirmation journal. Document your journey, your feelings, and your progress. It's a tangible reminder of your growth. Step 4. Before bed reflection. Reflect on your affirmations before bed. Plant these positive seeds in your subconscious mind as you drift off to sleep. Section 4. Powerful affirmations for different areas of life. Now, let's explore powerful affirmations tailored to various aspects of life. Use these as templates or adapt them to your specific goals. For money and wealth. I am a magnet for financial abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly, and prosperity is my birthright. For health and well-being. I am in perfect health. My body is a temple of well-being, and every day I become stronger and healthier. For career success, I am a successful professional, making a significant impact in my field. Opportunities abound, and I seize them with confidence. For love and relationships, I am worthy of love and nurturing relationships. Love surrounds me, and I attract harmonious, loving connections. For personal growth and confidence, I am continually evolving and growing. I radiate confidence, and I am unstoppable in pursuing my dreams. Summing it up. In closing, my fellow seekers of greatness, you now possess the keys to unlock a world of boundless possibilities. Positive affirmations are not just words, they are the seeds of transformation. With unwavering belief, consistency, and the right mindset, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who are ready to step into their power. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Keep believing, keep affirming, and watch your life transform. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for powerful affirmations tailored to health, wealth, success, and happiness. Dive deeper into your journey of transformation. Stay tuned for more life-altering wisdom. And until next time, keep affirming, keep manifesting, and keep living your most empowered and fulfilled life.